This is looking out from my friend's house in 1208 Parkwell Avenue on the south side of Omaha. It's just shortly after, or like about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Already there's like about 5 inches of snow on the ground, and as you can see, the snow is still going down pretty good, and you can see in the kind of part it's seeing a little bit of snow action across, especially the building across the way to Harris. The casino is normally seen right around in this location, but it's really obscured right now, so it's really blacked out, and it's really heavy. So as you can see, the snow is going down pretty good, and it's not supposed to be tapering off until like about midnight, and we're saying it's supposed to be about another 6 inches of snow supposed to be coming down. So just want to show my friends what it's supposed to be like. So let us know, let us know, let us know.